LPS Kitty here, and today we're unboxing some new LPS. I won't be posting for a while like I told you in my other video. Yeah, it's because I need to do my transfer test to go to high school, and yes, I'm that young. Okay, let me, okay then. This is a custom that I made. She resembles me because I like Galaxy, and my surname's connected with some Galaxy thing, and I love blue, and I'm left-handed. That's why the star is in the left. This actually is in the right, but I put it on the right because it looks like it. So, on to the LPS. So this is the LPS that I have. I covered it in duct tape to cover my details on it. So let's cut it. Let me put it in a higher position. Okay, so we have this one and this sparkly cat. Whatever they're called. I really want to know if they're real or fake. Let me unzoom this. Let's go for this Siamese cat first. Okay then. Sorry for those weird noises. It is fake, but it is good. It is good. So, this is the cat. Ooh. And then this one. This might be my new mascot. You know, from the Cocker Spaniel. But they're both equally great, so it's just like a team mascot thing, whatever you call it. And this one's authentic. Thanks to my friend. Okay then, you go out of the way. This one next, which is obviously fake as well. I wonder if this is gonna flake off. It does. Sorry. See? Okay, you can't see it. And let me do it with my other thumb. You can't see it, but oh, you can see it perfectly clear. Yeah, those specks are. Oh, the glitter. But it's still good. It's still good, but it does look fake a little bit, but it's still fine. It's hard to notice. Ooh, yeah. Oh, you know that old video with these cats? I lost the other one. This one and this one and that other sparkly cat. They're all fake. Yeah. All my short hairs are probably fake, but just don't tell anyone that, okay? Okay, that's good, thanks. Okay then, so that's probably the end of this video, because I'm just unboxing these two LPS. I was hyped because they came like 2 days ago, or 1 day ago, whatever. Yeah. I might make some videos, and I might make a set right now because I'm so excited for new videos. Let me clean up this mess. Just wait. So that's all for the video. And I'm going to be adding earrings to her. Just wait a sec. Ooh. You know what? Just pause the video. Oh, she smells weird. You know what? Just don't mind me sniffing. In the background, she actually does smell weird. Like, new LPS package smells weird. And her body shape is like weird because her head's rubbery. And her body is like really glossy. Like plasticky. Like a weird feeling. It's the same, not really the same with her. She's fine. Let me show you the other one of her that I have. It's her. I think this one's authentic, but her her nib, like the bubble thing kind of broke because of my friend. So let's just compare this. Yeah. Yeah, so different. Once you see the eyes, just don't mind that pen eyeliner thing. And you realize the eyes, they're really different. You know what? Just... yeah. Look over there. Okay. Who needs them? Okay then. Bye, everyone. Okay. See you later.